Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at area again, except it's going to get a little trickier this time. We're still taking a look at the number of square units inside of a shape. However, as you may have noticed here, there are no squares inside the shape. So we're going to be using length times width to help us figure that out. Now length, okay, is the long way on the bottom, and width we're going to be using going up. We're still going to need our labels, which are going to be units squared. However, we're going to see specific units today. We're going to see inches, centimeters, feet, meters, and even millimeters. And we're going to need to remember to add that square since we're finding square units. So let's take a look at number 1 here. So what we're going to need to use is we're going to need to use length times width in order to figure this out. Okay? So our length is 3, and we want to times it by our width, which is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So the inside is going to have 6, okay, we have to use our labels, inches squared. Now I'm going to show you how I got 6. They're essentially telling us that there's 2 rows and 3 columns here, even though we can't see it, but I'm going to draw it in here. So 2 rows, 1, 2, and 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. If we had that, we can see how I got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's move on to our next one. We need to use length times width to solve. My length is only 1 foot, times my width, which here says 5 feet. 1 times 5 is 5. So the inside should have 5 squares, and my units is feet, and I need to include my square. Now I'm going to show you again how I got the 5. If there's only 1 column, it's telling me we have 5 rows. So I'm going to draw those in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take a look at number 3. We need to use length times width. My length is 5, and my width is 4. 5 times 4, I can skip count. 5, 10, 15, 20 is 20. Wow, so the inside here has 20, and I need to look at my labels. Centimeters squared. This is the last one I'm going to draw boxes on the inside for, so take a look carefully. It's telling me here that I'm going to have 4 rows and 5 columns. So let me draw that for you. 4 rows. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I need 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I was to count all these boxes on the inside, I should have 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. We did a good job. Okay, now we're going to come down to number 4. I'm no longer going to be drawing the boxes on the inside. We're going to have to just use length times width to solve. So my length is 3 times my width here, which is 7. 3 times 7, if we skip count by 7, 7, 14, 21. Is 21. So we're going to have 21, and we have mm here. Our label is going to be millimeters, and I need that square symbol. Nice job. Let's move on to number 5. Number 5, our length is 3, and our width is 3. 3 times 3, we should know that pretty quick, 9. So the answer is 9, and our label's in inches, and we have to remember the square. Let's move on to our last one. Our length, if you forget which one's length and width, you can look up here. Length, okay, width is going up. So our length is 5 times our width, which is 2. 5 times 2, we should know that, 10. So our answer is going to be 10, and our label is going to be meters squared. If you did a good job with this, then I think you'll do a good job on your own when you practice next. Good luck. I know you got this.